This right here is the Troxus Trax LT e-bike, and this is a step-through model that comes in two sizes, a medium and a large. This happens to be the medium size, and it is one of the most stylish and well-balanced e-bikes that I think I've tested on this channel.
This Trax LT was a very smooth ride. This is my wife Lauren riding it, and she really loved the feel of this. I specifically wanted to test this Trax LT out for her because I was looking for a good step-through model, and she really did enjoy the 20 miles an hour max speed on this and that 50 Newton meters of torque that it has. It also has a 480 watt-hour battery and only weighs 57 pounds, including the battery, so that was pretty cool. She really enjoyed getting on this thing and cruising around Park City, Utah, which is where we're at, and I enjoyed jumping on it now and then as well just to give it a ride. I love e-bikes as a whole, and Troxus is really leading the way in innovating comfort for e-bikes specifically. It has a lot of great features. It has about a 55-mile range. In fact, my wife, when she was riding on it, could go about 52, 53 miles on a full charge, and she absolutely loves the Troxus, even riding out in our hot Tucson sun here. She had a fan around her neck here. I've got another video where I reviewed that fan she had around her neck there, but that helps keep her cool while she's riding her LT. So all in all, I'm loving the specs on the LT, but the ride itself, you have to experience it. It does come in a small and a medium size to fit different size riders. It has a beautiful color display, easy to use controls, and a nice shifter to help you maintain your pedal at higher speeds. The full color display also has Bluetooth functions and USB charging all built in. The Troxus LT is really well made with the 6061 T6 aluminum step-through lightweight frame. I love that it comes in under 60 pounds. It has a great front suspension fork that has 73 millimeters of travel, and the 8-speed Shimano shifter was really smooth as well. All in all, it is a great commuter e-bike, has a nice rack on the back of it. My nephew and niece also got to ride it while we were in Park City, Utah this summer, and they absolutely enjoyed riding it over some of the other e-bikes that I had brought. It does have a 300-pound max load on it. It has a max speed of 20 miles an hour, but when you're pedaling with the pedal assist engaged at the highest level, I was easily able to get it up to 25 to 28 miles an hour on this e-bike. You can actually find the Troxus LT in many stores across the United States. In fact, just here in Tucson, Arizona, it's sold locally at Aho Bikes, Benz Bikes, and even M&M Cycling down on Fry Road, which is down in Sierra Vista, Arizona. So check the Troxus website. You might be able to find a local retailer, or you can just buy it directly off their website. And it does come in at a great price, under $1,600, and the reviews are all 5 stars across the board. It's just not me saying this. Many people love this e-bike and the overall balance of it. It has another unique feature, which is a switchable torque and cadence sensor, and that's not something I've seen on many other e-bikes. So whether you want the pedal assist to engage based on how much torque you put into the pedal, or you just want it to be a general cadence, meaning how many rotations of the pedal that you're pushing, that will indicate how much power the motor is going to give to the e-bike. Troxus is also really well known for their aftercare and service. They're very responsive, have great customer service, and this particular e-bike comes in both a silver and a dusk blue. So be sure to check the links in the description of this video here so you can get more information on the Troxus Trax LT e-bike. Really, there just wasn't anything that I could say negative about this e-bike. It just hit all the right points, and the fact that I hadn't mentioned that it actually has hydraulic brakes with the brake sensors. This thing is the complete package, very affordable, and I highly recommend the Troxus Trax LT e-bike.